So today we will study about algae. Algae is a diverse group of organisms that are autotrophic, and it ranges from unicellular organism to multicellular organism to very simple structure to a complex structure. The habitat of algae is mainly aquatic ecosystem, but it may also be found in the moist condition on the stones, on in the soil, on wood, or in the harsh condition like snow and on the ice. Shape and size of the algae. Algae may be microscopic unicellular organism like Chlamydomonas, or it may be present in the colonial form like volvox. It may be in the filamentous form, or it may be present in large form like kelps. Reproduction in algae. Algae reproduce mainly by three ways: vegetative, asexual, and sexual reproduction. In vegetative reproduction, some vegetative parts get detached from the main body, and that part behave as a new plant. Asexual reproduction takes place by the formation of different types of spores, and mainly the spore are zoospore. These zoospore are liberated from the sporangia, and get germinate and form the new plant body. The sexual reproduction takes place by the fusion of gametes, male and female gamete, and it may be of the three types, that is isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. Now, in isogamy, there is fusion of two morphologically identical gametes. It is not the male and female gamete are not distinguished, and it is found in the Spirogyra. Anisogamy is a fusion of two dissimilar gametes. One gamete is small and other is large in size, as found in the Chlamydomonas. Oogamy is the fusion of one large and one small gamete. The small gamete is motile and it is considered as male gamete. The large gamete is non-motile and considered as female gamete. When these two gamete fuses, this type of reproduction is called as oogamy, as found in the volvox or fucus. Now, the usefulness of algae, it is used as a source of food, used as a biofertilizer, like Anabina and Nostoc, they fixes nitrogen. It is used in the sewage treatment as a chemical dye or coloring agent. And the agar, which is obtained from the algae, is used in the industries for the production of various products. Economic importance of the algae. Algae is responsible for the fixing of carbon dioxide, and it fixes half of the total CO2 fixed on the earth. So we can see the importance of algae from that point. It is used or it act as a primary producer in the food chain. The food which is obtained from the Porphyra laminaria sargassum, these algae are used as a food. Algin obtained from the brown algae, kerosene obtained from the red algae are used as hydrocolloids, as they have high water holding capacity, so used in the transport of seedlings. Agar is used in the industries for the production of various products. Giladium and Gracilaria, they are used to grow microbes or to make ice cream and jellies. Chlorella and spirulina, these are rich in protein, so they are used as food supplements. Classification of algae. Algae is classified into mainly three categories in our syllabus, that is chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae, and rhodophyceae. So let's take a detail of these categories. Chlorophyceae, it may be unicellular, colonial, or filamentous. The green color is because of the presence of pigment chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. The chloroplast is of varying shape. It may be discoid or plate-like, reticulate means net-like, cup shape, spiral, or ribbon shape. The Food is stored in the form of starch. The cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectose. Reproduction in green algae takes place by vegetative, asexual, or sexual means. Vegetative reproduction by fragmentation, asexual reproduction by zoospore, and isogamous and oogamous. All three types of sexual reproduction is present in the green algae. Some common green algae are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Eulothrix, Spirogyra, and Cara. Now, brown algae, they are mostly present in the marine habitat. The bodies consist of a stalk, stipe, and frond, which is leaf-like structure. The pigment which is present in the brown algae is chlorophyll A, C, carotenoid, xanthophyll, fucoxanthin. So xanthophyll and fucoxanthin is responsible for the brown color present in the algae. Food is stored in the form of laminarin or mannitol. The cell wall covered by algin, which is a gelatinous coating over the algae. Reproduction here it is takes place as in the case of chlorophyce. It is by fragmentation, by zoospore, by isogamous and oogamous sexual reproduction. One important thing present in the brown algae is that in zoospore, the zoospore are of kidney shape, and the flagella are laterally attached. One flagella is large in size and other flagella is smaller in size. So this is a characteristic feature present in the brown algae. Some of the common brown algae are Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum, and Fucus. Rhodophyceae. The rhodophyceae may be present in fresh water or in brackish water. Mainly the red algae is present in the brackish water. Only few red algae is present in the fresh water. The pigment present in the red algae is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, and R-phycoerythrin. The food is stored is in the form of Floridian starch. One important thing present in the red algae is that there is no motile stage or spore or structure present in the red algae at any stage of the life cycle. Some of the common red algae are Polysiphonia, Porphyra, Gracilaria, and Geladium.